Hi reception, welcome to Phonics. Let's start off with our alphabet this morning. You can have a little sing along if you like, but if not, let's get stuck straight in to finding some of our letters that we've been doing every morning this week. So the first letter I would like you to find today is the letter A. I wonder if that would be an easy one for you today. A. I don't think we'll need much time for that one. Here it is, A. It makes the sound A, and the alphabet name is A. Okay, letter number 2. Can you find the letter P? P. You might need a little bit more time for this one. Need some more time? Don't forget you can pause the video. If not, here it is, the letter P. Makes the sound P. Okay, and the final one I want us to find today is I. I. Oh, that was one of our tricky words yesterday, wasn't it? I. Pause the video if you need to. If not, here's our little dot to show us. I. It makes the sound I. Alphabet name I. Well done. Hopefully we're getting good at these letters now. Okay, let's get going with our next slide, which is our tricky words. Oh, okay, so we've learnt some new tricky words this week, haven't we? Remember, a tricky word, we can't sound it out. We have to just remember. So the first two rhymed with each other we spoke about yesterday. Let's see if you can remember what they are. One starts with N, one starts with G. No and go. Well done if you remembered them. No, go. And the last one is I. Let's do it one more time. No, go, I. Let's do it backwards. I, go, no. Hopefully you're remembering these words. Well done. Let's get going with our sounds then. Join in with me. S, A, T, P, I, N, D, G, O, K, 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 E, O, R. One of our new sounds this week. Yesterday's new sound, B. And today our new sound is F. Okay, so for this sound, we have to imagine we've got a floaty fish at the seaside, and we push and the air comes out of it, and it makes this sound. Let's do it together. Pushing all of that air out. So now we know our sound of the day, let's try and read some words together with our F sound in. I'm going to start in the top corner, and our first word is it. F, it. Fit. Okay, let's go underneath. The second word is O, G. F, O, G. Fog. Okay, we'll go to the other side now. At the top, F, I, N. F, I, N. Fin. And our last words, F, O. We've got two S together here, but we don't need to say it twice. We just remember that it's one sound, and it makes S. F, O, S. Fuss. Super. How did you get on reading those words? So you could have a go at writing those words on your board now, like we've practiced this week. But if you don't want to write those words, we've got some different words to practice now. So let's go on to our next slide and see what we need to do. So we've got a picture on our screen here. What can you see in the picture? That's right, it's a fan. Now let's try and sound out the word fan together. That starts with our new sound for today. F, A, N, fan. So the first letter we can hear is, okay, what can we hear next? Let's do it again. F, ah. Hopefully you said ah then. Let's see if that pops up next. Super. F, ah. What's the last sound we can hear then? Fan. F, ah, n. Fan. So I'd like you to have a little go at writing that word on your boards for me. You can pause the video now so you've got a little bit more time. And if you do struggle to write the f like that, then you can change it and you can just do it the normal without the precursive. It's a little bit tricky there. Okay, shall we try a new word? Right, this looks like a bag to me. We learned that sound this week. B, b, b. So let's use our robot arms again. We're going to see if we can sound out that whole word. B, a, g. B, a, g. We hear our first sound. B. Super. What can we hear in the middle? B, a, again, isn't it? And the last sound at the end, let's say bag. B, a, g. There we go, we've got our second word there. So again, pause it here if you need to. Going to have a go at writing bag this time. Remember, when we do a B, we go up the stick first, up that big long tall ladder, down the ladder, come round and put the tummy on. Okay, I think I have one more word for us now, one more picture to look at. Okay, so this time we have a hat. Join in. H, a, t, hat. So what does hat start with? What can you hear? It's another sound that we've learnt this week. Hat. Super. H. Our middle sound. Ah. Ah. And our final sound. Ah. At. Well done if you sounded that out. So this is the last time I'm going to ask you to pause your board and write that word for me on your whiteboards. Make sure you take some photos and show me how beautiful your writing